Good morning, students. Welcome back to 11th Maths. Today's topic operations on sets. Operations on set exercise 1.4. Okay. In earlier classes, we have learned how to perform the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on numbers. Each number of these operations was performed on a pair of numbers to get another number, right? So we will now define certain operation on sets and examine their properties. So we will refer to our sets as subjects of some universal set. So now let's union set. Number one, union set. Union set. If two sets A and B, okay, two sets A and B, which consist of all element A and all element of B, and the common element being taken only once. Okay, so the union definition, the union of two sets A and B is the set which consists of all the elements of A and all the elements of B. The common elements being taken only once, means one time only use, means all element of A, element of B, but common difference only one time use. This is called a union. As a intersection means LCM, this is LCM is denoted by U, means union, or A union B. This is equal to LCM of the elements. Clear? Second, intersection. Intersections of sets. Second definition. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which being to both A and B, that is common, means SCF. This is denoted by this intersection. Okay, this is a intersection symbol. And A intersection B, this is a SCF of the elements. SCF of the element. Set of mind this only. A intersection B equal to SCF. SCF element means common elements. This is common elements of two sets. Clear? And next, disjoint set. Disjoint sets. This is an important point. Intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets A and B, A and B is the null set. Okay, null set is called disjoint set. Disjoint set. So denote, therefore A intersection B equal to phi. Phi is also null set. Okay, this is a disjoint set. No element, no common element of A and B is called a disjoint set. So difference of two sets. Difference of two sets. The difference of two sets A and B in this order is the set of element which being to A, okay, but not B, but not another set B, okay. Only A and B is the set order which is the set of elements which being to A but not B, that is A minus B. This use A minus B. By the symbols you have A set and B set. So this is this part, A part is called a minus B. Common element minus from A, this is called a minus B. Clear? Suppose B minus A, so remaining of B element minus common element A is called a B minus A. Clear? So this symbol to minus B. Right? The property of union set. Property of union set. Union set. Union, commutative, associative properties are already valid. Clear? This first A union B equal to B union A, commutative. Property. And A union associative, A union B union C, this equal to A union B union C, this is the associative. And A union phi means null set. A union phi, this equal to A, okay. And A union A equal to A, right? Or union of union U union A equal to U, right? Law of U means union. Clear? This A means maximum element A, maximum element have A, not phi. Phi is null set, so this is a union means maximum LCM, okay. This is LCM condition. And intersections properties. Intersection property, A intersection B equal to B intersection A are equal, okay. And A intersection phi, this equal phi equal to phi, right? And union, suppose union intersection A equal to A, right? And A intersection A is right. A intersection A equal to A union A, and this A intersection A is also A. Associative property, A intersection B intersection A intersection B intersection C, this equal to A intersection B intersection C. This associative property, or this is a commutative property are valid. Okay, so this side, disjoint set also clear. Now let exercise 1.4, first question. Find the union sets of the each of the following. First, find union set. Union sets, so this x equal to 1, 3 and 5 and y equal to 1, 2 and 3. X union y equal common element one time and all element of a x and y. 1 is common, so 1 use one time, and 2 sequence wise, 3 is 3, this 3 one time, and 5. This is a union set. That your answer. Okay, and third part, this question third part, A equal to x such that x is a natural number, and multiple of 3, and B set x such that x is a natural number less than 6. X such that x natural number and multiple of 3. Though natural number, taking natural number, that is, or change in roster form. X plus x is multiple of 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 12, 15, so on. And a natural number less than 6. This is one. And B equal to all natural number less than 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already no 6. So A union B, this equal to, use 1, not 1 given, so the LCM, this 1, 2 and 3 is one time, 3 is one time, and 4 not given, so 4, and 5 not given, 5, and 6 and 9 and 12 and 15, and multiple of this. Okay, multiple of 3 dot dot so on. This is your answer. And next question number, you can solve other question, other part of the question number 1 and question number 2, and important question 2 and 3. A equal to AB and B set equal to ABC. Is A subset B? What is A union B? Yes, A subset A comma B, set A comma B, B have A, B, C, all element of A belongs to B, that is A subset B. Yes. If, then what is the A union B? So the A union B equal to AB, A and B, B, C, C. Okay, so this is a B set. A union B equal to B set. That's your answer. And question number 3, this type, A, B are two sets, A subset B, A subset B. Then what? AUB, A union B. A is a subset of B, so all element belongs to B. Clear? All element of A belongs to B. that is A union B. So A and all union B, that is union, this is a B. This is also A union B equal to maximum number have B. Okay, this type question, A this or B, maximum elements of given, so the maximum number and A is also belongs to B, so B is a, this is a competition type questions. Okay, and question number 4, can you solve question number 4? Very simple question. Yes, so all part are given. A set equal to 1 2 4, 1 2 3 and 4, and B equal to, now let only two set. Okay, you can other all sets 3 4 and 5 and 6. Clear? Find A union B. First A union B. We'll solve also. A 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, this 6 is a union set. Okay, can you solve question again? And 5 already simple. 6 is a intersection type question. Intersection. A equal to 3 5 5 7 9 11, and set B equal to 7 9 11 13, and C equal to 11 13 15, 11 13 and 15, and D equal to 15 17. Okay, good. And find this A, first part, A intersection B. A intersection B, A intersection is this common element. 3 not given, 9 11, 9, 3 is not, 5 is not, 7 this 7. Okay, 9 already given, and 11 is also given. Get your answer. Can you solve this type question? Okay, and 7 question important. 7 and 6 7 are same question. 6 7 were same. If any doubt, you can ask to individual or in this group also. Question number 8. Question number 8 is disjoint set. Disjoint. First, let A equal to 1 2 3 and 4, and B equal to X such that X is a natural number, and 4 is less than equal to X is less than equal to 6. Less than equal to 6, this type of question. Find disjoint means find the intersection. So then A is given and B changed to roster form. X so that X is natural number but less than 4. This 4, 5 and 6 also. Then find A intersection B. 1 4, 4 is common. Okay, equal to 4 is a not disjoint set. Not disjoint set. Clear? The set are, and second point already given, A I O U. Let A equal to A I E O and U, and this set B equal to change in, sorry, given D C D, sorry, C D E F, then A intersection B equal to A C D E is common, E. Okay, not disjoint set. Okay, this is not a disjoint set. This is not a disjoint set. Intersection E, not a disjoint set. Third, X such that A equal to X such that X is even integer. Even integer means 2, 4, 6, so on. And this b equal to set x of that x is an odd integer. Odd integer 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. Okay, so a intersection b equal to 2, a number mixed to even and odd is called a numbers. Okay, odd number are different, even number are different. No match any element to a and b means even and odd. That is a phi. This is a disjoint set. This is a disjoint set. This third part is also disjoint, otherwise other two are a set. Okay, part A. And question number 9, minus type question. This last definition, last 9 question minus. A given 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. And B equal to 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Find A and C also given, C and D all given. So find only A and B. First part, A minus B. A minus B. A element of A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Minus or remaining element of A is A minus B. Okay. Common element subtract from A. So 3, this 3 not given, either 3. 6 is not given. 9 not given. 12 this here. So 12 is minus. Okay, 12 this minus. And 15, 20 no. And 15 and 18 and 21. That your answer. Remaining element of A is called A minus B. And common element below is subtract. Okay, this is called A minus B. Can you solve this type question? And B minus A, fourth part. B minus A. B minus A, the remaining element of B, subtract of this is are all common. So this 4, 8, 16 and 20 is called a B minus A. That your answer, right? Question number 9 is also complete. C and D section are given in a set C and set D, so you can solve it. No any problem. And question number 10, then find you can solve also. Okay. And 11 question. R is the set of real number. R real number means R. Q rational number. Okay, the set of real number. So R minus Q means the real number equal to rational number plus irrational number. Okay, this subject. So minus R minus, so real number have rational and irrational. So real minus rational, so it equal to irrational. So real minus Q equal to irrational number. Irrational number, this is also a real number. Clear? This is also real number. All real number have rational and irrational number, right? So subtract rational, so remaining irrational. This is irrational number or real number. Okay, that's all. And question number 1 to 12. The homework of remaining part. Parts of these questions. If any doubt, you can ask to me. Okay, thank you.